Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture we will be discussing that how a firm is earning normal profit under monopoly. Firm is earning normal profit under monopoly when its average cost is equals to its average revenue. So when this condition prevail in the market, so it means that firm is earning normal profit under monopoly. But before drawing the normal profit area or abnormal profit or loss, in any case, first of all we have to draw the output decision. Then we will see that firm is earning normal profit, abnormal profit, or he is facing losses. So first of all we will decide about the output level. So for this we are taking quantity on x-axis, revenue and cost on y-axis. So this will be the graph of average revenue, price or demand curve, and this will be the graph of marginal revenue. Now we have to draw MC curve in order to decide the level of output. So the point where MC is equals to MR, it will give us the level of output. And if we join this equilibrium with price line, it will give us the price for the output which we are producing at the moment. So now we have our output or optimum level of output. So for drawing normal profit, we just have to draw average cost curve. Then we will see that how graphically a firm is earning normal profit. So we have to draw average cost curve in such a way that it will cut the average revenue from this point, the point where we have decided the output level. So now I am going to draw the average cost curve. So here is the average cost curve. As you can say that at this point where I am going to make a cross, at this point average cost and average revenue are equal. So it means that firm is earning normal profit under monopoly when its average cost and average revenue both are equal.